Okay, so let's look at adjective phrase. So words that describe a noun. So we can bring multiple adjectives together into a phrase that's built around a noun. So we could say then, oh well, the heavy green old box. Makes sense. The small black light cup. The small black light cup. It's small, it's black with flowers on, so colourful maybe. It's light, not very heavy. Cup, that's what it is, cup. So adjective phrase is bringing adjectives together to create a phrase, to describe something. Now, adjective prepositional phrase, a prepositional phrase that describes a noun. So prepositions are where things are, on, in, under, behind. So she showed the pictures. Nice. The small cup on the table in the office. The small cup on the table in the office. Table in the office. How cool is that? And alliteration. When the same letter or sound is repeated. Same letter or sound. An Adrian Attitude, AAA. An Adrian Attitude. Or Wolverhampton Wanderers. WW. Or even Cool Candy, CC. But we can use the same letter, CCWWAAA, or we can use words that have the same sound, like C and K, for example. So let's say cool kangaroo. Cool kangaroo. Different letters, but the same sound, k. How cool is that? Alliteration, adjective prepositional phrase, and adjective phrase. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.